if I release at the same speed, I'll get the same reaction. But if I release a little bit faster, then I get a stronger reaction. So if I can borrow you, Kieran. So we started with touching base, opening balance. Now he gives me a bit more pressure, and so we can do it as like a percentage. So okay, let's say it's 10%. I engage that and then relax and release. Now he gives me 20%, engage that, relax and release. Now 30%, if I release at the same speed, I'll get the same reaction. But if I release a little bit faster, then I get a stronger reaction. So thanks, Kieran. The speed of release, what's the force equation? Mass times acceleration is force. If I accelerate the release with the same amount of energy, I'm going to get more force. So fast releasing produces force in and of itself. It's an amplifier. Mass times acceleration is force. If I accelerate the process, force is multiplied. And multiplied is a lot, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, it goes right up when you increase the speed. So your speed of release sets up your power. How much force you produce in an issue is how fast you can release. And you don't need more chi than what's already in your body to bounce a person. You just need to release really quickly. And then the effect takes place. So when you get these two and then you build more chi and more elasticity, more stretch, you reduce vulnerability. Now, one of the best MT4 students I had coming through the training was a bricklayer. And he was a bundle of tension. Anyone who touched him would bounce him, but he could move people on the construction site without touch and just move them around with his mind because he is a pure bundle of fascia, but he's also very tense. You touch him, you feel his whole body instantly because the tension lines connecting him. He'd never trained to relax. He's just picking up bricks all day. He's super strong, super endurance through the fascial web. So if he does Tai Chi, he'll get bounced as soon as someone touches him. But if he doesn't let them touch him, he'll own them because they can't find his tension if there's no bridge. So this relaxation phenomenon in the fascia, a lot of people say, the essence is relaxation sum. Is it? One of the most powerful people I've ever had come through training had no relaxation. He just had fascia. And he had a strong mind. He had endurance. And he had a six-pack. And he is ripped. And he is strong. And his mind was intense to train physically all day. So that relaxation thing is essential for alchemy and high level of skill. But you can bypass it using a model that works for that body type. So if you learn a whole range of different models, then you can use a model that works best for you.